welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. I don't know why my voice sounds so weird. I'll give you a little update. I didn't vlog yesterday, as you could tell. I sound like a man, what the heck? I haven't talked yet this morning, so this is a surprise to me. Anyways, I didn't vlog yesterday. I was recovering from not feeling so well and didn't do anything entertaining. Not too much to explain. I just didn't do anything that was vlog worthy. It would have been a very boring vlog. But today is exciting. I'm about to go get my nails done with Morgan, and then we're gonna go get some lunch and stuff, so that'll be fun. I'm sucking on a cough drop. Here's a little rundown of my sickness. So weird. So after the vlog I posted of me feeling sick or whatever, it was like the next morning I woke up and my body didn't feel sick. It's just my throat now. Like, my throat was super scratchy and it hurt to swallow, and it was so weird. And now this morning it's just sore and very dry, and then I feel like a little cough coming on, so I'm like, what the heck? But like nothing else feels bad, so I'm recovering. But my stupid throat always got to give me issues. But I'm gonna show you guys a picture of the nails that I'm gonna get today. I'm so excited. Morgan is gonna get something kind of similar to this, but not exactly. So I'm gonna get nails. Hold on, let's see if it'll focus. I'm gonna get nails that look like that. Hopefully it looks like that, we'll see, but I think that's so pretty, especially for the holidays. So yeah. All right, so we got our nails done. This is what it looked like. I don't think I like yours better than I like mine. I like those sparkles on the tip.
Yeah, but I like your red better. You didn't get the same red. Mine kind of looked pink.
I thought you said it was the same one.
It was 6.
Yeah, that's what I achieved.
Oh.
It's weird.
Maybe it's the same.
I don't know. Did you get acrylics or dip powder, whatever? She said you didn't do acrylics. Or did you?
I did.
You
this
did?
one she dipped it in sparkle, but then she put acrylic over it.
Well, I like them. They're really cute. I think this is the longest I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
These are not even long to what I normally get.
Alright, so I just got back from, okay, this lighting is not okay. I'm still recording. Okay, this lighting is not better. Ow! I'm just gonna blind myself for a minute. Okay, so I just got back from eating In-N-Out with Morgan, and then we got our nails done, as you could see. I'll give you a little bit better of a look. They're just red, and then this one is sparkly. I love them. I haven't gotten my nails done since last Christmas, I think. So that was time, and I got coffin shaped, and they're really long. I'm not used to it, but I love them, and it feels so good to have nails again. But yeah, my throat is kind of hurting me right now. I'm like, so I want to go get the mail. I want to see if I got my credit card. I want to see if I got approved for a credit card, because I'll be really happy about it. So we'll see. And then we have Bible study. But yeah, that's all I just wanted to update you with right now. I'm just going to chill out because today's my day off, so I'm just going to chill for now. And yeah. Alright guys, so I'm coming on here and my voice is progressively getting worse, and I don't know why. But me and my brother were just looking at mind tricks or whatever, I guess. So I'm gonna tell you guys some. You're gonna comment down below if you got them right, or just play along. So I'm gonna need you to think of a color. So think of a color. Okay, now we'll think of a tool. Did you guess red hammer? Alright, comment down below if you guessed red hammer. If not, you're weird. I'm just kidding, because I didn't guess red hammer either. I said blue wrench. But let me know if you got any of those. I thought it was just a fun little thing. Also, my credit card didn't come today. It's really sad. Well, as the day has progressed, I'm starting to feel worse again. I was feeling good this morning and I felt pretty good all day, except for when I got home. I laid down for a bit. And now I have a really bad headache and my throat hurts more, so that's so much fun. But I'm getting ready for Bible study right now. I'm gonna get that done, and then hopefully I'll just go to bed early because I need to feel better. I've been eating so many cough drops. I keep thinking that these vlogs are gonna be more entertaining, but I just keep not feeling good, so it's not working. I keep having to adjust to having nails because I'm so not used to it. So like everything that I've been doing, I'm like, it's so hard. But I love it at the same time. It's so worth it. Sugar. She's terrified of this. I'm gonna get you.
No, I don't want you to do it me.
No, I'm not. So I have a string, right?
What?
I have a string, an invisible string. I'm gonna put it right here, okay? Grab this end of the string.
What end?
This end. Now pull it this way.
This way?
Wait, pull it to the right. What's 1 plus 1?
2.
What's 2 plus 2?
4.
4 plus 4?
8.
8 plus 8?
16.
Name a vegetable.
Broccoli.
She didn't do it. Almost everyone has said carrot. I said carrot, he said carrot, everyone online says carrot for some reason. Okay.
Just a weird person.
I couldn't see in the camera, so it was like... Okay, think of a color.
Okay.
And a tool.
Hmm?
And a tool. What did you think of?
Blue. Screwdriver.
She's weird. I said it's supposed to be red hammer. I said blue. I said blue wrench. I didn't do the days of the week.
Before, so I knew not
Wow.
to say hammer.
Okay. Here's another attempt of me trying to feel better. Dose of NyQuil, and I actually hate taking these because they're so big and I'm scared I'm gonna choke on them, so pray for me that I don't. Alright, now it's time to shower and get all cozy for bed. Am I ever once gonna not be shiny at the end of a vlog? Probably not. How cute she is. I know I show her like every video, but like, can you really get enough of this? I know it's blurry, so like, look at that face. Lila, look at your face. You're the cutest little thing ever. I think she loves that I have nails now because I've been like going like this to her and she's like in heaven. And hopefully feel better. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow because I'm probably not doing anything. Oh, you're stretching. That's cute. I can't miss that.